So what we're doing right here is we're digging this stump up here because it's got mushrooms growing in it, so we got to get rid of that. So we're gonna dig this stump up, we're gonna grade this out, and we done tore up a wall that was over here. I had a little walkway right here, some flagstone, a little wall right here we done took up. We pulled that out, we'll grade all this out, and then we're gonna put a walkway coming right here, just right like it. Right here, get a nice little zigzag to it. We're gonna come through here just like that. That's what them rocks right there are for. It'd be nice.
Sometimes when the sun's still up, I'll go outside and try to find the...
Well, we're creating a bigger entryway here. So this is the door that they normally use, and it's kind of tight. So we've expanded it and then adding a little area for a bench, another seating area so she can sit out here and watch her kids play, and then beautiful landscaping, of course.
I think we'll have to modify it just a little bit. These are heavy rocks, bud. Heavy rocks.
On my mind, you captivate my sky like lightning. I see you.
Just stay on the...
I see you. I hope you never feel unseen when you illuminate the little things. Without the light you choose to be, you never find the diamonds in ravines. I know it's somewhere near. I promise you, my dear, I'll find it. You're always on my mind. You captivate my sky like lightning. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Honey, honey, get the kids in the car now. Put the cash in the trunk, get the keys, let's go. Hit the biggest bank in Chicago. For all it had, we're the thieves you know. Remember the thing that I told you 3 years, 2 moons ago.
Quit with that dude.
That was hilarious. Morning.
I'll be right behind you. But you're gonna die if you don't hit the road.
Maybe take your keys with you anywhere you go.
He's always on me. He's on me.
My attempt at what a bird call looks like.
Where your head died, whichever way you go, and I'll meet you tonight. 3 kids in the back of a caddy. She said, come here and kiss your wife. And I know you're real mad at me, but you're on your way to some kind of life.
Nominate somebody who's stepped into a pretty big role and just knocked it out of the park. We've all benefited from it, and it feels like he takes on a new responsibility every day, and we're very grateful for it. So this week is Drew Allison.
Speech.
Yeah, you can trade it in at Walmart. I think they sell it. Yeah, deal. Speech? How'd I do it? Showed up, showed out. Glad to have everybody back. Glad to have some new faces in the circle. Bartley Jr. Or you might be senior, right?
Chase Bartley, and I'm here to kick ass.
There you go. That's it.
I like it.
Name and a fun fact.
I'm Will. There's not much fun about me.
No, he's a Marine. That's fine.
I don't like people.
I'm losing 60 pounds this year.
All right.
So wait. Bill's gonna lose about probably 8 or 9 in April.
Sounds like 7-ish. That'd be great.
I read a thing the other day that said that daily devotions are better than yearly resolutions. So I like that.
And I'll be back someday, I hope. Oh, I hope.